In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark as answered in Ownerrez. This is a quick and simple task, but it's useful to know exactly where to go so you can keep your inquiries organized and up to date. Marking an inquiry as answered can help you stay on top of communication and make it easier to track which guest messages still need attention. To begin, open Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard or inside your account workspace. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This side navigation panel is where you'll find the main sections of the platform. From that left-hand menu, click on Inquiries. This will take you to the area where all incoming inquiries are listed. If you have multiple inquiries in your account, take a moment to scan the list and locate the one you want to update. It helps to double check that you're selecting the correct inquiry before making any changes, especially if you're managing several conversations at once. After you've found the right inquiry, click to open it. This will bring you into the inquiry details page where you can review the conversation and available actions. Next, look for the option labeled Mark as Answered and click on it. This tells Ownerrez that the inquiry has been handled and no longer needs to appear as unanswered. It's a helpful way to keep your workflow clean and avoid revisiting messages you've already dealt with. Once you click that option, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. The message lets you know that you're about to mark the inquiry as answered, and it also reminds you that you can still use the answer page in the future. That's an important detail because marking it as answered doesn't remove your access to the inquiry. It simply updates its status. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click OK in the confirmation box. As soon as you do that, the inquiry will be marked as answered. And that's it. You've successfully updated the inquiry status in Ownerrez. As a quick tip, it's a good habit to mark inquiries as answered right after you've responded, so your inbox stays organized and you can immediately see which inquiries still need follow-up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.